guys, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of these collections interview questions, today I'm going to explain one small important interview question. Yet we have not started into collections, just slowly introduction part I'm giving. So here I need to list out. So list out all the child interfaces or all the interfaces present in collection framework. We have to see the list of all interfaces present in the collection framework. We have various interfaces are there which are present in collection framework. We need to see what are the list of interfaces present in this collection framework. The first thing is nothing but a collection. It is an interface. We have list. It is also an interface. Please make sure that what are the rules that we are applying for the naming conventions for class names. Same rule we have to apply for interfaces also. That is, interface name starts with the capital letter. If any subsequent words are there, it is also going to start from capital letter. That's all. We have collection is there, list is there. Next and after that, a set interface is there. Next, we have queue interface is there. Okay, queue interface is there. Next, DQ interface is there. Next, set interface. Next, we are going to get a sorted set. Don't worry, we are going to see the complete structure of this in upcoming questions also. Okay, so sorted set is there. Next and after that, we have map. Map is also a part of collection only. So we have map interface is there. We have map interface is there. So inside this map, we have sorted map is there. We have sorted map is there. Next and after that, navigable map is there. So these are nothing but main interfaces what we are going to use. So in our collection framework, of course, still we have so many interfaces are there, but we will see about all these things later. These are nothing but the top interfaces what we have. Okay, so when these interfaces are introduced, version numbers, everything I'm going to give a clear diagram where you will get the total clarity. Okay, thank you friends.